Morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal sponsored by Merit Forex. New week, new opportunities. So definitely this week is going to be interesting as it started last night, Sunday evening, 11 p.m. GMT with Federal Reserve Chairman Powell. He gave a speech. Actually, he says he's out of bullets in order to fight the economic crisis and the whole situation. It's going to be very interesting how the Fed is going to actually take an action and what kind of action they're going to take in the upcoming months. But for sure, it's going to give us opportunities to trade on the Forex and commodities market. So what do we have this week? Monday is holiday in Canada, no big events. Tuesday we have RBA meeting minutes in Australia, 1:30 in the morning GMT. Average earning index in UK for the Great British Pound, Clement Common change for UK 6 a.m. in the morning. Both economic indicators, building permits, so we have 12:30, and again Federal Reserve Chairman Powell is going to testify. 2 p.m. GMT on Tuesday. US dollar is expected to be highly volatile, which is very good for us, the traders, this week. And what do we have Wednesday? GBP, CPI core consumer price index on yearly basis, definitely a very important indicator. For the Eurozone, CPI 9 a.m. in the morning, core CPI for Canada, crude oil inventories on Wednesday, of course, our lovely crude oil and FOMC meeting minutes. So the Federal Reserve is gonna be the star for sure this week. Thursday, what do we have? A lot about GBP in US, manufacturing PMI, composite PMI, services PMI for UK in the morning, 8:30 GMT. Initial jobless claims 12:30. Just such a week we're gonna have crazy. Existing home sales 2 p.m. GMT for US, and again Federal Reserve Chairman is gonna give a speech. So all week, except the Fridays. The Friday, of course, we're gonna have Federal Reserve announcements. Crazy week we do expect. Friday, retail sales only 6 a.m. GMT, and core retail sales for Canada 12:30. I have nothing to say here. Just it's the economic calendar is full of events. It's gonna be very volatile. We just have to focus a little bit, and we can get very good profits. Let's take a look at what's going on with the technical analysis, technical charts. Euro US dollar in front of us started going in a very tight range, 1.0880 to 1.0777. Around 100 pips range, as you can see, tested the bottom, the top, and then right now we've been waiting to see how the price is going to react outside of these boundaries. So that's why I'm going to wait for the euro. Anyway, I don't like Euro US dollar, you know me very well already, so I'm just going to jump directly to the Great British Pound US. Such a beautiful breakout, 1.22 round number, and we talk about 110 pips drop. Very simple, very clear one, very easy trading. So Great British Pound definitely was in focus and still in focus. We can see from here slight rebound, nothing big, and after that continuation, big, very big opportunity this was. I hope you got it. Australian US, we talked about it, double top, 0.6569, resistance very strong, one momentum, everything is in place, downtrend. I think we're gonna see Australian US is gonna continue going down. With the New Zealand dollar, the picture is clear. We don't have close significant level here. Maybe this one 0.6256, but we are far away from it, so it's not our concern for now. New Zealand, a little bit similar to Australian dollar, broken the support 0.60 round number, stayed and of course closed below it. Very good signal for further bearish movements. 0.5950 is the current price of the New Zealand. I'm going to move this resistance that's not that's far away anyway into a new support 0.59. So what do we have? Strong support on round number 0.51, 0.60 strong resistance level on this level, and definitely you have to pay attention on these two levels, especially right now, as they are very, very clear round numbers and in a downtrend. So New Zealand can give us very, very good opportunities as well. USD CAD jumping directly to the crude oil, such a rebound that we have broken the resistance 26.84 and heading 30s, crucial level, but at the same time, just the rebound is pretty hard. So we definitely soon we can see 40s, 50s. I'm start wondering, can we see 65, 70s? You know that the prices from the beginning of the year in January. Pretty interesting crude oil movement rebound. As you can see, just not stopping going up. It's going to be very potential for either it's going to be very potential for another buy opportunity, even if you didn't buy here. So for sure you're going to have the opportunity for just, it's a matter of time to see. The crude oil entries is going to be crucial for the crude on Wednesday, so it's pretty interesting to see what's going to happen. USD CAD, so it's following, but not exactly, but it's still following anyway. Crude oil rebounding to the upside. Canadian dollar supposed to rebound to the upside, so simply to push the USD Canadian going down. Obviously this is not happening. USD CAD decided to go into the Euro US dollar pattern sideways, which is, as you can see, is going nowhere. What I would do in such a case, I step back and I'm not gonna trade USD Canadian until I see more clear direction, more clear opportunities. We have many anyway, so there is no point to focus on something that's going sideways. USD Swiss franc, quite similar, going between 0.9797 and 0.9629. As you can see, very wide range here we have, and the last couple of days especially, it's going even wider. So be careful when you're trading USD Swiss, just because, as you can see, it's going tight in a tight range. It's going in a, we can say even triangle, even though I don't like these formations, but it's going tight and tight more and more, and so we definitely we can see breakout on one of the sides, one of the support or the resistance level. Just be careful. I'm not gonna take an action of the USD Swiss until I see clear direction like the USD Canadian. But that's why it's very careful. You have to be very careful. USD Japanese, quite similar to USD Swiss, but more clear. Definitely would say 106.46 was tested, bounced back in order to test 107.88. Didn't manage to test it, even though we can consider this is a test of the resistance level because it was pretty close. And as you know, this is not the rocket science. Drop to the downside 100 pips, and right now it's going in a very tiny triangle here. Just careful, it can break out to the upside, then to the downside. Just I'm gonna wait to see these two levels, how the price is gonna react until it breaks 107.88 or 106.46. So this is it for now, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. A thumbs up, of course, share us and like us on the social medias, comments below. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Good luck, have a very profitable week, focus, because we're gonna have very good opportunities for sure, and expect my video on Wednesday. Bye bye.